Alright, this tutorial will speak about the My Organization's side link under the My Profile module. In order to see your roles and any other administrative departments that you have been assigned by your employer, you will actually have to go into the My Organization's side link and select the employer. Without selecting the employer, you will not see anything above the My Profile side links. Once you have selected the employer, you will then have access to the employer's features and records. So if you are looking for something and you want to see your employer's notes on a particular profile, you will be able to see your employer's notes on a particular profile. And if you switch to another employer, you will only be able to see the other employer's notes or transactions. You cannot see both at the same time. Now, in addition to the My Organizations link, if you are deciding to start your own business and you want to use the SureCommand system, well, you could do that under Applications. You will have to register your business with SureCommand. The application process is 6 steps, and it just ensures that SureCommand does its due diligence to make sure that your organization is a legitimate one. For more information, please visit surecommand.com, and thank you for being a SureCommand user.